Must try sore throat home remedies. A sore throat is very common. It generally refers to itchiness, pain, and irritation in the throat. They are among the most common health ailments, especially during the season change months and winters. In most cases, a sore throat is caused by infections such as viral infections, common cold, flu, strep throat, etc. The primary symptom of a sore throat is throat pain, and it usually gets worse when you try to swallow. A sore throat, even though painful, shouldn't turn into a trip to the doctor. They tend to be quite painful, but they are manageable with home remedies and go away within a week or so. The good news is that it is possible to ease sore throat pain from the comfort of your home. Thus, in today's video, we have listed some simple home remedies that will help you ease sore throat pain. Keep watching to know more. Sore throat symptoms. Before we discuss sore throat remedies, it is important to know the symptoms associated with them. The symptoms of a sore throat typically depend on what caused it, but it can feel raw, burning, scratchy, tender, swollen, irritated, dry. Along with the sore throat, symptoms such as these are common: runny nose, nasal congestion, fever, cough and chills, swollen glands in the neck, sneezing, hoarse voice, difficulty swallowing, body aches and weakness, loss of appetite. Remedies for sore throat. Here are 7 natural remedies for a sore throat. Number 1. Honey. Honey has antibacterial properties that reduce inflammation, acts as a wound healer, and provides relief from pain. This makes it one of the most effective remedies for a sore throat. Besides, honey also kills off bacteria and fights off viral infections. Thus, if you are suffering from a rough sore throat, try consuming honey mixed in tea or in lukewarm water. Drinking honey several times a day will not only provide you temporary relief, but will also ease your symptoms. Number 2. Salt water. Gargling with salt water is another effective remedy that kills off bacteria while loosening mucus and easing discomfort. All you need to do is make a salt water solution using half a teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of lukewarm water. Gargle this solution twice a day to keep your infected throat clean, reduce swelling and inflammation, and relieve the pain. However, salt water doesn't have an immediate effect on the pain, so you will need to gargle for at least 2 days before noticing a decrease in pain. It is more effective in killing bacteria and keeping the infected portion of the throat clean. Number 3. Lemon. Lemon has natural healing properties, and just like salt water and honey, it breaks up the built-up mucus and provides much-needed relief from a sore throat. In addition, lemon is also packed with vitamin C that gives your immune system a boost and provides it with the energy to ward off all kinds of infections. You can also combine lemon and honey for added benefit. Just squeeze half a lemon in a cup of lukewarm water mixed with half a teaspoon of honey and drink it twice a day. Number 4. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known to be one of the most soothing herbal teas. In fact, it is also used for medicinal and healing purposes, including easing a sore throat. Chamomile tea is also rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. Chamomile tea provides your immune system with the strength to fight off viral and bacterial infections. According to a review, inhaling chamomile steam can relieve symptoms of a cold such as sore throat, cough, sneezing, runny nose, nasal congestion, etc. Drinking chamomile tea has the same effects. And if you are not a fan of chamomile tea, there are several other kinds of herbal teas that you can try. Both clove tea and green tea are antioxidant rich, whereas raspberry tea and peppermint tea can clear a congested throat and reduce discomfort. However, make sure that you check the caffeine content, as too much caffeine is never a good idea. Number 5. Peppermint. Peppermint is not only popular for its ability to naturally freshen breath, but peppermint oil mists and sprays are also beneficial in relieving a sore throat. As you already know, peppermint contains the cooling agent menthol. Menthol can thin built-up mucus and calm sore throats by providing relief from the coughs. Peppermint is known for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial properties that aid in the healing process of sore throats. If you want to use peppermint oil, always dilute it with a carrier oil such as softened coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, etc. You should never use essential oils without diluting them. For peppermint oil, just mix 5 drops of the essential oil along with an ounce of any carrier oil of your choice. Make sure you never ingest essential oils either. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar or ACV is a popular product for many of its uses, but especially its natural antibacterial properties. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar's antimicrobial benefits are effective in fighting off infections. Besides, it is also acidic in nature and thus loosens mucus in the throat and prevents the bacteria from spreading. If you are suffering from a sore throat, dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons of ACV in 1 cup of lukewarm water and gargle with it twice a day. However, make sure you are well hydrated between the gargling sessions. Number 7. Cayenne pepper or hot sauce. It might sound strange, but trust us on this one. Hot sauce can be used to relieve a sore throat. Hot sauce is prepared from peppers that are high in the natural compound capsaicin. Capsaicin can be used to reduce inflammation and provide relief from discomfort and pain. In fact, capsaicin is known to be able to block pain receptors. Just pour a few drops of cayenne pepper or hot sauce in water and gargle with it before going to bed at night. However, this is one remedy you should avoid if you have open sores in your mouth. These were 7 of the most effective remedies that can ease a sore throat. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos. And subscribe to our channel.